guys, so you know us, gotta record everything. So right now we're at Lily's sleepover. I think she's in the bathroom or something. I don't know what she's doing, but yeah, so we're just doing whatever.
Speaking of Lily, have you seen her Snapchat?
What the heck was that?
What the? What'd you hear? Oh, was that? Did you see anything out there?
Seriously? How did this fall from up there?
Oh, are you kidding? I was using the restroom. Did one of you get shot?
No.
Yes, we got shot. Obviously not. What happened?
I don't know. I didn't even blush because I got so scared.
Oh my gosh.
So apparently that wasn't Lily. Should we split up? It's not a huge deal. But it's not even that big of a deal. Like, no one can be here. I think we should split up. Like,
I've seen every other horror movie.
Exactly.
No. 2 together and then 3 together. We can do that.
Yeah, let's just. If it's not
But then,
together, we might just be overdoing.
But what kids? We're the only ones here.
Your parents left?
Yes. I told them to leave with my little sister at the mall. What do you mean I go first?
Come on, you're coming with me. I'm not doing this.
Hey, maybe it was the wind in the house. The air conditioning, you know?
it does make creaky sounds.
Yeah.
I'm not going in there.
Guys, I don't want to go in there.
I don't know. It came from in there. Hey, what's that?
That's your face in the mirror.
What's that stuff on the mirror?
What does it say? Does it say something?
What the heck is that?
What the flip?
What is that?
That's not normal.
What is that?
That wasn't there earlier. Not even kidding.
What is that?
That wasn't there earlier.
Hey guys, so I think we should split up. Let's go.
No, we're not doing that.
Why?
Okay, we need to stick
I
together.
have to pee first, so.
Okay, well,
Don't leave me.
Okay,
we're gonna stay right here. We gotta find a way to go though. Okay, guys,
Okay, maybe we can.
It's past midnight.
it's past midnight.
Okay, guys.
Okay,
It's fine.
let's go check. Let's go see if we can. Ow,
Dustpan.
guys,
Is it locked? Wait, why?
It's
Why is it
locked.
locked?
what?
What? Wait.
Guys,
Mimi?
Mimi,
Michelle! I heard a thud. Holy crap! Oh my gosh! Mimi? Michelle?
are you okay? Guys, we need a first aid kit.
Is she breathing? Okay, I'll stay with
Guys,
Y'all go
stay with her. Go, let's go.
Get a first aid kit.
Where's the first aid kit? Do you not have any first aid kits here?
Oh, I heard first aid. Okay, it's under my bed. It's under my bed.
Where? I don't see anything.
It's maybe over here.
I don't see it.
Dude, okay, it's right by my bookshelf. I don't remember. I never have used it.
Oh my gosh.
Guys,
Make sure she's okay.
guys, wait, I don't hear anything.
Sure,
Guys, we gotta hurry. Jasmine, hurry. Guys, I don't see anything.
I don't know where it is.
Where is it?
Oh, I see it.
You got it?
I found it.
Alright, come on. Guys, the light turned off. Guys, guys. Mimi?
Jasmine?
Guys, turn the light on. Light on.
Where's Michelle?
Guys,
Mimi?
Michelle?
Jasmine!
camera won't focus. You can't see. Guys, you can't see anything.
MP?
MP. Michelle?
Michelle?
No.
Michelle, this isn't funny.
Mimi, come on. Run!
Let's get out of
Guys!
here. Okay. What?
Jasmine? Jasmine. Guys? Guys.
What? Jasmine, it's okay. Like, quit.
Come on.
You and Mimi were obviously.
It's okay. Can you stop this? Guys! Guys, this isn't funny. Let's go downstairs. We have to get this door unlocked.
Come on, we have to
Okay.
find Mimi.
Guys!
Jasmine? Baby, let's
It's
go.
locked. Come on, let's go.
Just break down the stupid door at this point.
Guys?
They won't.
Guys!
Wow, they're not letting us out.
Who's not letting us out? We're the
Guys?
only people here.
Took her.
Who took her?
I don't know.
Guys? Guys, let's go downstairs. Come on. Guys? Guys? Who's at the door? Guys? Guys?
They're coming.
Guys, it's not funny!
Coming.
Jasmine?
Coming.
Where's Lily?
They're coming.
Guys, where did she go? Guys!